my life before your glory and show Christ to all in all. Let every breath be used for your glory, every beat of my heart your will, and all that I do be an offering for you. Oh Christ, be my all in all, my all in all. Let your word dwell within me, your love consume my heart. Let my joy go tell your story and be Christ to all in all. Let every breath be used for your glory, every beat of my heart your will, in all that I do be an offering for you. Oh Christ, be my all in all, my all in all. Renew my heart, come teach my soul to find your all in all. Renew my heart, come teach my soul to find your all in all. God, renew my heart, come teach my soul to find your all in all. God, renew my heart, come teach my soul to find your all in all. And every breath be used for your glory, every beat of my heart your will, in all that I do be an offering for you. Oh Christ, be my all, in every breath be used for your glory, every beat of my heart your will, in all that I do be an offering for you. Oh Christ, be my all. Renew my heart, come teach my soul to find your all in all. And God, renew my heart, come teach my soul to find your all in all. In every breath be used for your glory, every beat of my heart your will, and all that I do be an offering for you. Oh Christ, be my all in all. Oh Christ, be my all in all.